Spray painting is such an easy way to upcycle a piece of inexpensive furniture. I'm going to spray paint this black shelf gold because I need some extra space to store my gold stemware and cocktail glasses. This is an IKEA shelf unit that costs around $50. So here's a tip. A plastic tool like this, a spray gun, is so easy to use. It's really cheap but makes a world of difference when you're painting with a spray paint. So you snap it into place like this. Right, just like that. And then when you press on this handle, it presses down on the spray paint. I had made a video comparing different brands of gold spray paints, the link to which is below in the description box. And what I use for the final coat on this shelf unit is this Krylon spray paint because it has an orangish tint that complements the orangish gold on my wine and cocktail glasses. So here's the final product. This was quick and easy, and when I need this shelf for something else, I can just spray paint it some other color that's appropriate for that purpose. As I've mentioned already, I needed shelves to store these gold glasses, which would have looked a little mismatched on black shelves.